All right, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Back to the Basics with Smoking Swamp Outdoors. This video is going to be about a basic toolkit, um, some ideas of what people can have, you can collect. I know everybody's budget is different. Everybody, space, room, whatever it may be. I'm out here in my shop. Just wanted to come out here and give everybody a quick video for an idea on how you can have a basic toolkit, one that you can keep in your vehicle, keep at the keep at your house for whatever it may be. Some basic tools that you can have and keep on hand, so you don't have to go borrow or whatever's got to go buy something or whatever it may be. It can be helpful. So it's all right. Latch is already open. Some things that I keep in mind here. I keep screwdrivers of each size. I got some longer ones here. Well, they're like standard size, I should say. And then I keep two large ones in here of both sizes. And then I got smaller ones in here as well. So good, well-rounded selection for screwdrivers. They were just some that I had. Been around a while, but they still work like new. Another thing you can have is a good adjustable wrench. As a lot of people know, an adjustable wrench is not always the preferred go-to because they're prone to strip. But some vice grips. 1,000,001 uses for some vice grips. Very, very handy. Another thing is some wire cutters. Wire cutters are always great to have. You gotta snip something, cut something, whatever it may be. Some pliers. A large set of pliers is always good to have. The adjustable ones, they've got two different settings. I also keep a smaller one. So, it's contingency, folks. I like to mix up the sizes. It helps a lot. Some Allen heads. Had these things since I was a teenager. Long time, they're good. Especially buy yourself a good pair. They'll last you a while. Another thing I like to keep is a full wrench set. This is all wrapped up. I don't want to unfold it. And I also keep a socket set. Just regular size socket set. Nothing tremendous. I think it's a 1/4 inch, something like that. 1/4 inch drive. I hope this video was informative. Give y'all some ideas on how you can make yourself a basic toolkit without having to go buy one. Y'all hit that thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe for more outdoors.